This video is about creating the sample application part 2. To create the modal dialog, click on the project name in the system, right-click on the modal dialog. Click on that Add Modal Dialog pop-up to create a new modal dialog. Enter the component name, module name, synopsis name, and click on the OK button. Look below the View Model, View, Controller, Custom Code tabs. Open the Controller tab. Then choose Methods in the menu and expand Services. Prior to that, create a new function by clicking on Add Method. In the Add New Function container that appears, enter the method name, submit the form, and click Add. After that, drag Custom Add Edit Employee Service from listed services in the left menu. Then open the View Model tab and click on Add New View Model. Type the property name, initial value, object type, data type, entity, and enable View Model as global. Open the Controller tab, connect Submit Form function, and on the left side of the Custom Add Edit Employee Service. In Mapping, connect Property Employee created in the View Model, under Input Source on the left side, and Inputs of the service, listed on the right side. Click the Update button. Next, connect the right side of the Custom Add Edit Employee Service response to the OK function and click on Update. Then, open the View tab, select Toolbar on the menu on the left. Expand the Flex element, drag, and drop the Flex column. Expand the HTML controls, drag Form. Select Form in View and select Properties on the menu on the left-hand side. Add the name as Employee Form and open the toolbar. Expand Materials, drag Input Fields, and Date Picker inside the form. Add rows inside the column. And drop buttons inside the Flex row, to save and cancel the form. In Properties, there is an option to change the color and name. Open the Tree view from the View tab and change the data binding type to ng model. Connect the input source and control by selecting each field. Change data binding type to click and connect each button to the function. Select All in Data Binding Type to view all mappings. Select Control from the Properties menu that appears on the left side. Here you can add name, style, value, placeholder, and click on Add Properties to add a new property for the control selected. After the required property is added, and the value for the required property is true, click on the Add Property to add the required validation message, and value added. Follow the same procedure for last name, gender, and birth date. For the Mat Date Picker, select Mat Date Picker control. Copy the name of the attribute, and paste the value in, for property, under Mat Date Picker toggle control. And also paste the same value in, Mat Date Picker property, under Material Input control. Now click on the Save button. After getting the message, close the Modal Dialog tab, and close all the tabs, and the terminal. Then open the Employee List page and go to the View tab and add a Flex row from the toolbar. Now select the Flex row, click on the Move Up button, to move the Flex row container to the top. Then add a button inside the Flex row by dragging it from the toolbar. Go to Properties of Flex row, to change the alignment of the layout. And then change the inner HTML of the button, by selecting the button properties. Open the View Model and click on the Add New View Model. Type property name as a new employee, initial value, object type, data type, and entity. Go to the controller. Create a new function by clicking on the Add method. In the Add New Function container that appears, enter the method name Add Employee and click Add. Create another function as Edit Employee. Select Method menu, expand Modal Dialogs, under Modal Dialog list, drag and drop the created model at Edit Employee. Connect Add Employee function to the left side of the Modal Dialog. In Mapping, connect the new employee property and inputs of Add Edit Employee model and click on Update. Next, connect the Edit Employee function to the left of the Add Edit Employee modal. In Mapping, connect Get Employee Response List Selected Item and Inputs of Add Edit Employee modal. Click on Update. Go to the tree under View. Select Click in Data Binding Type. Connect Edit Employee function to Edit Control, and connect Add Employee to add a new control. Go to the Controller tab, create a new function by clicking on Add Method. In the Add New Function container, enter the method name as Delete Employee and click Add. Connect Add Edit Employee modal dialog on the right side, to the left of Get All Employees. In Mapping, click Update. Drag and drop Delete Employee service inside the controller. Now connect the Delete Employee function and service. In Mapping, connect Get Employee Response List Selected Item from the input source and inputs of Delete Employee. Click on Update. Connect Delete Employee, right side subscribe to the left of Get All Employees. In Mapping, click Update. Go to the tree under View. Connect Delete Employee to Delete Control. Select All in Data Binding Type to view all mappings. Now click on the Save button. After getting the successful message, open Side Navigation, and right-click on the project, choose to Generate Application. Thanks for watching. Do try other modules to get a clear picture of the Do Studio and its ease of development process.